In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a session in Teamviewer. If you need a reliable record for training, audits, or troubleshooting, enabling automatic recording ensures every remote control session you start is captured without you having to remember to hit record. Before we begin, make sure Teamviewer is installed and updated, and always get permission from anyone you plan to record based on your local laws and policies. Start by opening the Teamviewer app on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, start menu, applications folder, or dock, whichever is most convenient. Give it a moment to load so all menus and icons are visible. Next, look to the top right corner of the TeamViewer window and click the gear icon. This opens the main settings area where you control how TeamViewer behaves. On some systems, this may be labeled settings or preferences, but the gear icon is your visual cue that you're in the right place. Inside settings, select the remote control section. This is where TeamViewer groups options that affect your remote support experience, including visual quality, permissions, and how sessions are handled. We'll focus on the part that controls recording behavior. Within remote control, open session settings, this subsection collects options that apply specifically to what happens during a remote control session, so it's the ideal place to configure recording with minimal clicks. Find the area labeled Outgoing Connections and select it. Outgoing connections are remote sessions that you initiate to another device. If you primarily connect out to clients or colleagues, this is the setting that matters for automatic recording. Incoming connections where others connect to you are controlled separately. Finally, enable auto-record remote control sessions. Turning this on ensures that every time you start a remote control session, recording begins automatically. You won't have to remember to toggle it each time, and you'll end up with complete, consistent recordings. TeamViewer saves these files to its default recordings folder so you can review them later. Keep in mind that recordings can increase storage usage over time. If you record frequently, consider periodic cleanups. You may also see a small indicator showing that recording is active, which is normal. That's it. You've configured TeamViewer to automatically record your outgoing remote control sessions. If your workflow changes, you can return to the same setting to adjust or turn it off. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you document your sessions accurately and with confidence.